sharing my full investment portfolio as a beginner investor. I'm about to get grilled for this portfolio, but here it goes. I'll start off with my ETFs because this is where I really want to build a foundation for the portfolio. I've got £867 in the S&P 500 because it's boring, it's proven, it's reliable. I'm also invested in a couple other ETFs. I've got the iShares Agribusiness, iShares Global Clean Energy, and iShares Electric Vehicles and Driving. In the agriculture business, I've got £531. In the Global Clean Energy, I've got £522. And in the electric vehicles and driving, I've got £519. People will always need things like food and energy. Energy for the last several decades has been shifting to more sustainable energy. In the next decade, nearly all the cars on the road in developed countries are going to be electric. This is something I'm already seeing in the UK, so I do think that this is a really big opportunity, especially as hype around electric vehicles has died down a little bit. Then I've got some individual stocks. Now, this is where I think I might get grilled a little bit, but we'll see. Starting off with Meta, I've got £580 in them. Meta, they own half the damn internet and they print money, so I'm not really too worried about them. They are down a little bit, and I do think they're a little bit undervalued for the amount of value they provide to the world. For Nike, I've got £288 invested in them. Nike is way off its all-time high, and it's still one of the biggest and most established brands in the world. They recently also had some leadership changes and they've been able to stabilize some of the finances in the business, so I do think Nike will have a big year this year. Netflix, I have £364. Netflix is also down and a little bit off its all-time high. It's been going down for a while, but I do see some room for recovery with them, especially because of their subscriber base, and again, still one of the biggest businesses in the world, making a lot of money. Then in Adobe, this is my biggest holding so far. I've got 1.2k in Adobe. For Adobe, I'm very bullish on them, especially because of how the business is performing. It's stronger than ever. It's making more money and profit than ever, but I do believe that the whole AI and social sentiment has driven down the price. I have 349 days to reach my goal of investing 50k into the stock market by the end of 2026. I'll be documenting how my investments evolve over time, what I add, what I remove, what I learn. But if you want to see how my investments perform over time, make sure to drop a follow and leave a comment on what you think I should invest in.